Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you've been wondering how to add friends on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 3 different methods, all of them easy and clear. First, ensure your Discord app is updated to the latest version from your Play Store or App Store. Once updated, open the Discord app and log into your account. Tap on the 3 lines in the top left corner, then tap on the waving icon at the bottom. Here, you'll find your existing friends on your friends list. To add more friends, tap on the icon in the top right corner. You have 3 options: Nearby Scan, Find Your Friends, and typing their username. Nearby Scan allows you to add friends who are close to you and have enabled this option. Find Your Friends lets you find people in your contacts who use Discord after granting permission. The third option is typing their username direct. Once you send the friend request, they'll receive it, and upon acceptance, you'll become friends. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.